Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron with a Philips steamer. First, let's get started with the basic setup. Begin by filling your steamer's water tank with distilled water. This helps prevent mineral buildup and keeps your appliance running smoothly. Next, hang your garment on a sturdy hanger. This provides a stable surface for steaming. Finally, plug in your Philips steamer and let it heat up for approximately 1 minute until it produces a steady stream of steam. Now, let's dive into the actual steaming technique for best results. Hold the steamer nozzle a few inches away from the fabric, ensuring not to touch the material directly. Move the steamer in a vertical motion, from the top of the garment downwards, allowing the steam to penetrate the fibers. With your free hand, gently pull the fabric taut. This simple action helps to stretch out wrinkles and achieve a smoother finish. Different fabrics require slightly different approaches for optimal steaming. For delicate materials such as silk or rayon, use a lower steam setting to avoid damage. When working with thicker fabrics like denim or wool, you might need to apply steam for a slightly longer duration to effectively relax the fibers. Remember to pay special attention to details like collars, cuffs, and pleats, ensuring a crisp and polished look. After steaming, there are a couple of important steps to ensure your garment stays wrinkle-free and your steamer remains in top condition. Allow the garment to cool and dry completely for at least 5 minutes before wearing or storing it. This prevents new wrinkles from forming. Always empty any remaining water from the tank after each use. Finally, regularly descale your Philips steamer to maintain its optimal performance and extend its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.